Let's look at the literal meaning of balanced scorecard. Balanced means well-rounded or even distribution. Scorecard. This one sends shivers down my spine because it reminds me of school grades. For those who were always in the 90 and above percentile, kudos to you. Scorecard is simply a report of your grades, how well or poorly you performed. So putting the two together and in the context of a school, a balanced scorecard is a report that shows a student's performance from a well-rounded perspective. However, in the context of an organization, a balanced scorecard is like a two-sided coin. It's a strategic planning and management tool that is used to measure the performance of an organization beyond just the financial aspect. To get a balanced organizational performance, we look at 4 key dimensions. First up, financial. To plan your strategy, you are asking, how should we appear to our shareholders to succeed financially? And to measure performance, you want to know the organization's revenues, expenses, return on investment, and net income. Dimension number 2 is customers. From a planning perspective, you are identifying how the organization should appear to their customers in order to achieve their vision. From a measuring standpoint, you want to know how well the organization is satisfying and retaining their customers. Dimension number 3 is learning and growth. The question that begs for answer from the planning perspective is, how will we sustain our ability to change and to improve? From a management standpoint, do our employees have adequate training and skills that match our competitors? How well or poorly do we retain and satisfy our employees? The last dimension is internal processes. To satisfy our shareholders and customers, what business processes must we excel at? How efficient are our business processes that deliver value to customers? How well is the organization's inventory management, quality control, product lead times? My recommendation is to use the 2 sides of the tool for maximum benefit. First, as a planning tool to create the organization's vision and strategy, and then second, as a management tool to measure performance against the strategy. That way, you are ensuring that there is alignment with strategy maps. You are improving communication through a common language, which ultimately leads to a better performing organization.